Broadcast. Bang. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, March the 26th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. Did I say that already? What a day. What a day. Holy crap. What a day. I can't believe it. Can you say melt up? S&P's closing at a new multi-year high. Look at that. Gone. Like the wind. All because Ben Burn Your Ass Off, Askey, coming out and saying he's nervous about the job market. The markets took that to mean QE, QE, QE. To the moon, QE. And they melted everything up. We didn't come in all day. And if anything, we pretty much just sidelined. And then look at this. To the freaking moon, Alice. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But it is what it is. Hopefully you didn't get caught in that freight train. At the end of the day, you were able to get on the sidelines. I don't know. Maybe make some money on the long side. I'm buying these commodity currencies as they're lagging big time today. You would think if risk is on, currencies like pound Aussie, we'll take a look at that one. You would think that one's going to come in. Daily chart. Seems to become a little overbought. Rolling over a little. You'd think we certainly come in tonight. You'd think the Aussie dollar, which really wasn't even up that much today, up, nicely, but still. You would think we make a nice move higher. You would think. But Bernanke in the house. Bernanke in the house. The euro is gone. Gone like the wind. Monster move. Clear the tower. Again, we thought it was a head and shoulders. I was nervous about this neckline right here. And German IFO, better. So, we're going up. We're going to hit the channel line. We're going to hit the damn channel line. This one right here. It's going to be right around, 134 and change, 50. And then I think we reverse. For a monster turnaround Tuesday, tied at 2. Yes, sir, Bob. I think it's possible. Absolutely. But, listen, this was just a melt-up, QE3. It's coming. Pending home sales out of the U.S. down 0.5%. A disgusting number. Terrible. Terrible. Yet the market doesn't care. They don't care. They don't care the economic numbers. Even though, yes, German IFO is a little bit better, 109.8. Still not blowing away previous month. But Bernanke just sounding so freaking bearish on housing. On jobs. Not even funny. So that just leads one to believe that there's only one way, Operation Twist, continue. More printing of money. Dollar is going to continue to get hit. It's at the end of the quarter. Obviously, he wants everyone to make as much money as they can. Dollar index looks like death. Looks like we should hit this channel line here. It's such a joke. It's such a freaking joke. That's 77.80, 78. Another channel line here in the Dixie. We break this. We free fall. And, I'll tell you, doesn't look very good. Looks muy malo. Going down. Probably going to test this level right here. The lows at 78.10. Only 70 cents. That's all it is. So one would think that's where we're going to hit. Abso-freaking-lutely. But dollar Swiss going lower. Breaking lower, probably going to test down 89.50. It's just crazy. This one isn't as crazy given how much of a bounce it's had. But given the fact that Spain is in big trouble, dollar Canada, so much for that rally. But now dollar Canada looks like it's going to be certainly heading much, not much, but certainly down to 89.60. Channel line support. Will it melt through? I don't know. I don't think so. But what the hell do I know? I didn't think even today was going to happen. So why are you listening to me? It's a freaking joke. God, I hate bull markets. I hate them. Sterling, gone. Gone. Didn't give you a pullback all day. Just kept going and going and going. And it's going even further. And this baby's turned. Big close. I mean, you would think we'd have follow through. Certainly up to 160.70 in that zone. You would think. And when you look at sterling yen, monster day there, big comeback. There's my alert. I never even hit it. Get rid of that. This thing's gone. Euro yen, gone. Like the wind. They're going to explode today. Gone. Cleared the tower. This one's made up the whole retracement. I'm telling you, we're set up for a sick turnaround Tuesday. They're going to melt them up. They go up. But I think at the end of the day, can you say turnaround Tuesday tied at 2? Oh, yeah. Look for my twits. I'm going to make the call at some point. Dollar yen, you would think dollar yen should make a nice little move here, you know? You would think. If the other ones are going to make this kind of move, then why shouldn't dollar yen go back up? So I think dollar yen should be a nice trade up to 83.50 probably tonight. Never broke my alert. Keep that sucker in there. Aussie, like I said, Aussie. You know, we got this 105.50, which is going to be important. We break through there. Could really make a move. But certainly well off the lows from the other day. But this baby certainly looks like 106. Oh, look at it go. Explosion into the close. I tell you, it was a gift. These commodity currencies were a gift. Market was exploding and they were holding down the Aussie dollar. Give me a break. To the moon, Alice. Fly me to the freaking moon. But in looking at these charts, again, we should get easy continuation. Does it make sense? In my opinion, no freaking way. The macroeconomics around the globe are collapsing in a bloody free fall. This should not be going on. But it is what it is. This one, New Zealand, GDP was half the estimates, but they're buying it. Breaking out of this downtrend channel line a little bit right there. Looks like we're going close to 83. Easy. Faux sheezy. And I'm telling you, these other ones, pound Kiwi, already started coming in, but this baby should roll over. Should be down a lot more. Pound Aussie. But look at Kiwi yen. Going up. Going up nicely. To the moon. Alice, fly me to the bloody moon. Do we have any numbers that can really change things? Not really. In Asia tonight, we don't have much. We look at Aussie yen, see where that baby can go. Listen, if the euro's going back all the way up there, then all these are going up there too. So looks like 88 easy on that one. Look at this euro. It's going to make new highs into the end of the day. Classic. Classic. But in looking at these charts, and that's a nice little head and shoulders maybe, but we certainly should get to the left. 88. We got London Quarterly Bulletin coming out at 7 o'clock tonight, p.m. Eastern. German business climate, nothing really major there. Wow. And realized sales out of London, 6 a.m. Eastern. Case-Shiller, supposed to be down 3.8%. That's the house price index out of the United States. And we see what gold did today. I think another reason why I'm just surprised that these commodity currencies didn't really explode more. I mean, gold just taking off to the moon. And, hammer, bullish engulfing, continuation, no reversal. Gold, I'm looking for a reversal tomorrow. Turnaround Tuesday, baby. Let it get up to like 1,700 and sell. Gold is still in a bear market, in my opinion. Gold broke. That was serious. That was it. So I still think gold is going to be coming in my humble opinion. Team, this Aussie is really working. Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, collapsing right now. Hopefully some of you did that. Nice little trade there, Dave Pips, I gave you. Instead of shorting that Euro. Oh, baby. But in looking at oil looks like it's ready to go. But we do have the Arab Summit coming up. I think that should be very interesting to see if there's a major bombing in Iraq. I mean, how the Iraqis are going to be able to really protect all themselves? I don't think so. Not in my opinion. But what the hell do I know? Richmond Fed out of the U.S. supposed to be 18. Last month was 20. I have no clue. I would imagine it's not so great. Consumer confidence is the number that could really turn things around. 70.8 is the estimate. 70.8 is the estimate. I mean, I would think this number is going to be more down. High oil prices. I mean, how is everyone confident? Are people getting jobs? Not that I checked. Bernanke said no. So I don't get it. I just don't get it. But crude looks like it should go higher. And again, any geopolitical macroeconomic event, oh boy. I mean, look at this Euro sterling. Looks like it wants to go higher. Listen, that German IFO, I was wrong. Dead wrong. Dead freaking wrong. Won't be the last. But it should be one hell of a night. It should be one hell of a night. Remember, if you are looking to get premium, please. I don't know why you'd want to, given the fact that... But hey, listen, I was not overly bearish. I capitulated. And we said the market could do this. So hopefully you didn't get run over like a big fat truck. But again, I think we have follow through and we reverse. I don't believe we are going to be a runaway market. I think that sterling dollar has the potential for a monster reversal. Let cable get up to 160.50 and then in that zone, and I think we have a nice turnaround Tuesday. So that's the call. All right, everyone, email me, info@globalfxllc.com to find out how you could benefit. Not all the time, but most of the time. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.